Cheat3 here. I'm going to be solving the Imposter puzzle series. I'm really excited about this one because I've been kept away from it while it was being developed and wasn't really involved in the testing, maybe in the original concept a little bit of the very first one, but this is a really cool puzzle. So there's a few rules here. I think one of the rules is that these hats, which are on each of the characters here, the hats are not involved in solving, so those get left alone. I think that the objective is to get a bone out of each of them, and that's pretty cool too, because if you've played Among Us, you realize that when you're the imposter and you kill people, that their bone sort of sticks out like a ham bone, and that's just brilliant. So you know, I think it's a sequential puzzle, and we'll see. I'm really hoping that that means that each puzzle gets solved in sequence and you don't have to sort of do moves in between each puzzle as you're and switch back from, for example, from like blue to yellow and then back to blue again. But maybe that's the case. We'll find out. So let's just pick one at random here. Let's try yellow. Just maybe poke at this. I'm hearing something sort of shifting when you hear that? There's something in there. That could be the bone, I guess. If the bone is like loose. I don't know. All right, I'm not finding anything sort of moving with this one yet. And it looks like this one has a lot of holes in it, so maybe that needs a tool first. Let's see if we can look to see if there's one that doesn't have holes in it. That one has some holes here. This one has one hole. Oh, I can see there's something in there moving. Maybe this one could be a good candidate for a first one because it's only got this one hole here. And it looks like it's blocked. I mean, I'm kind of moving that right there. But if I use my pinky finger, I think that it's this one here, which I think is called cyan, which was never a color word that had a meaning to me until I played this game. Yeah, see, look at that. I'm able to push on that. But it kind of stopped. That's not a full brick in. There we go. Maybe that's the first move. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh, come on, there's a tool right here. I actually can't get it out. It's gonna come out. There it goes. And a bone. All right, we have our first one. Look, that was kind of neat actually, because look at that. So what had to happen there? This one had to get pushed in, and then that has to get pulled out, and then that came out. And that slid over. That's cool. Look at that. All right, let's keep moving here. All right, so we got the bone, we got this tool out. I just had to stop the camera for a second to clear out some memory for the rest of the solve here. So I'm gonna look for places where I can use this tool here. So on red, there's one. Maybe, yeah. Maybe I got lucky here. I think it's red. Yeah. So look, red is the only other one that has this spot for this key here. It's right there. There it goes. Maybe that'll do, unlock this box. There, look at this. And that pushed this out. Well, I've definitely taken the first step to open this box up, and I don't think there's anything else that's needed for this because I don't see any strange holes. So I must need to just figure this out better. Let's stick with it. Look at that egg. Classic. And this, you can see through here when I push that in, it pushes this brick out, but it's not, there's nothing in between there. That's, maybe if I leave this in, what if I leave this in here as I'm pushing? That just blocks it. It's something to do with this. Because look, that pushes this brick over in this window here. See that? Why would this be open? I think that, yeah, so I mean, this one here is definitely Frankenbrick, but I think that if you notice when this slides over here, there's a little seam between these two bricks. So I think I've seen this in Cheat 3 puzzles before, where you can continue to pull that out like that. Yeah, maybe I can do that. I almost want to just see if I can solve a different one, but I'm pretty sure that this key unlocked the start of this box, and I don't see anything else in here that would require like another piece. So I think I'm just missing what is happening here. I feel like I've gotten the hard part. Like, this was the trick right here. The trick was that there's this cool button right there, and that you pull that out, and then you use the same tool to push that open and get this open in here. I mean, this is a small puzzle to have a whole nother big move in it. I push that in. Oh, look at that. Hold on, I fit. That's it. Look at this. Whoa. Okay. So I do my little trick here where I'm pushing this through about halfway. Then I pull that out. And then after I actually don't think you need to do that. I think you can push it to there. That was just a little bit misleading, actually, that that I thought that's what that move was. It's not. So push the button in here, and when that's set, I can push this button in again. Look at this. This button here moves in the other direction. And as that moves in that direction, this hole here, which I thought was to show us that this could be pulled apart, actually is being filled in by this other button. Surely that's the last move. I still don't see the pieces. Don't tell me that pushes in. No, there. Okay. Do I have to do it upside down? Oh my gosh. How can that not be the end? In, maybe push this back out again. No, that's all together. Okay, maybe a, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, a whole nother piece. Please tell me that that's the end of this one, that I've solved it. I see it. There's the bone. There's more. Oh! Look what I found. So I've got 2 bones now. And I've got this. This is like a lightsaber tool. And I think I saw a place for this somewhere over here. Like a stud sticking out on one of these. There it is. It's on the blue one. No, I was wrong. Well, okay. Maybe I was right. I was right in the wrong way. Maybe this goes here. All right, that actually is quite a bit of resistance. I don't think it's pulling this out, but there's plenty of other holes to push this in. Okay. This one has 2, let's see, 3 holes. I think this is going to be a pulling action. This gives me a little bit of resistance to pull. All right, there's 2 holes here. Last try. There, look at that. Ha! Oh, and it won't go in, so I think something dropped. It won't go, I can't push it back in. I think that tool, so these are my tools. Oh wait, the bone is coming out. Oh, and what happened here? If I got the bone, but oh wow. Oh, you see that? That whole side moves once you pull that out. That's big. And then that pushes in. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is awesome. I think I got the bone out, but the other tool, it seems to be hiding just above here. So I'm wondering what I can do. It's gonna come out through this hole. I can see the whole thing now. You can see it right there. the tool is just, it's gonna come out of this hole. And I don't think that that the hole moves up, because that looks pretty anchored in there. So I think that that's supposed to drop. Now, if I push, I don't know how to push that back. I have to slide it back. This is amazing. Look how crazy this, look at this transformation. A lot of this is moving. So I pulled this out here. That allows that to slide forward, which then allows that to push in. But I'm still stuck about how to get the tool out. Something has to drop. Or move up. Either this moves up or something else has to move down. All right, I got the bone. So this guy's dead. I feel like I'm a scavenger at this point because I've killed the guy, and now I'm maybe like trying to take his tools in his wallet or something. That's blocked now. No, it's not. I feel like, see this right here, this piece? Maybe I can push that out. Yeah, I can. That did it, that dropped it. And now the tool's coming out of this hole. Right there. Wow. What is going on in there? And we have this piece. Plenty of holes to try for this. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. It's got to be blue. There's one hole. This is the last hole. This was held in by this clamp here. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I feel that one got the tool earlier. Maybe. So that was right there. Maybe I can pull this out. No, I already tried that with this lightsaber tool. Maybe that just opened something up in here. I mean, this is just a hole all the way through. See that? Like, this should just drop all the way through it. What is going on? 3 down, 2.5 to go here. Although the tool came out and I've not solved anything else on this one. I wonder if, I want to say, well, there could be another tool that's needed here. But that can't be true because there's no other slots in here, right? So it's just these two. I wonder if I probe around in there a little bit, if I can feel anything. Look at that. Oh, wait a second. Oh my goodness. I don't think that's how you're supposed to discover this. I was just kind of probing in here and I noticed this piece start to slide out, and look on top. This is a crack here. So I think this move goes like this. Oh my goodness. Brilliant. Not me, the puzzle. Uh-oh, I broke one. Let's put that piece back. Like that. Okay. Now what? Okay, now something's moving. I hear the bone in there finally. Okay. Okay, okay. This really wants to slide around, but it's still being blocked. By what? No, it does slide. Uh-huh. Look, and there was actually another tool. This wasn't the tool that I needed. This is a wrench. See that? Okay, so what did I do here? I slid this out, and when that came out, I was able to slide this over. It required a little bit of finagling to make sure it was on the right track. And that I wasn't breaking it, but it came out. So this is what this one looks like now. This is just excellent. I'm so happy. Okay, we have 4 solved now, with a couple of extra tools here. Now I was told, oh man, let's put that back together. I was told that the reset on this puzzle is not very intuitive, and so we're going to have a separate video to show you how to reset this. But let's just keep going here. We have this tool, and I bet it solves this one, because that's something that we've not been able to toy with yet. So look at this. This really is the sort of classic sequential discovery, where you're actually getting tools to open up the next little piece. So not just a sequential puzzle, but a sequential discovery puzzle. Because this one was used to solve that. That tool used there. This tool was here. And hopefully this is gonna pull out. Maybe it's gonna push in, I don't know. I'm not getting that. There's nothing on this one for this, is there? I mean, it can't be just using the handle, because any of these other tools would have used that. So it's gotta be this, right? Okay, let's try this again. coming out. All right, so I lost faith and was like, hey, this isn't working, and I was then told, cheat3, keep trying. So I'm gonna keep trying. This wants to, there's one here that kind of wants to move also. That wants to push in. And you can even see on the bottom that when I push and pull this, you see that wiggling a little bit in there? Let's see if I can get it to show. See that moving? That's gonna be the move, but something's keeping that from happening. Is this gonna work? Look at that, there it did, it worked. That took a little bit of force to move. So I just kind of pushed everything together and squeezed as I pushed so that I knew that I wouldn't be breaking it or torquing it on a stud. Let's see if that opened this up. It did. Oh wow, like you can see all inside there now. All right. Fifth bone, and we're nearing the end. So I did have to use this tool again, right here. And wow, I've got a bigger wrench. Look at this. That means the Mohawk character, which is my favorite hat to wear in the game, because I don't have a Mohawk in real life, and it seems fun to wear a Mohawk virtually, is the finale here. So let's see. This is an interesting tool because it's a wrench on one side, it's a screwdriver on the other. It's just a flathead screwdriver. So I wonder if I need to use that flathead for anything in here. Yeah. There's something in here, actually, in this hole. I can kind of feel that there's like a ledge. Or maybe I put it in here and turn. I don't know. Just trying to look in here. So this hole just seems flat. So nothing there. There is something that kind of slides back and forth in this hole. And then this hole has some weird sort of groove in there. So that groove is why I was thinking, well, maybe I can use this flathead to sort of wedge in there. Yeah, it did. And then maybe pull that out this way. Okay. That worked actually. I don't think that does anything else. Can I push that the other way? Yeah, it's starting to go. Maybe if I push and then twist it and push or something. Maybe if I push this in and then push that back in. No, that just shot that right out. See, this thing has like a little... Can you see this on the back side here? This colored piece, at the very bottom, there's a piece that's just slanted in slightly. So I wonder if I can wedge that in. Oh, that broke it. That's a no. Don't try that. But I am seeing that this piece here seems to be all connected. The color piece is like part of the block with the black at the bottom. I think my job is to get this to open. Oh. What if I use this tool to pull that out so that I don't have to keep prying that open? Okay, that's one. That's two. I'm so stuck. Does the Mohawk move? No. Moves that way. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Am I missing something that has nothing to do with what I've done so far? What about my other tools? What do I have? What about this one? If I can get this hole better aligned here. Hey, there it goes. This fits in here. And the funny thing is it kind of won't spin in one direction, but it is spinning. Look at this. I'm gonna spin it. Oh, these were gear teeth on the bottom. Okay. Oh, it's still coming, more. Oh my gosh, the final bone. Look at this. Wow, look at this. There's the bone. It was just sitting right here attached to this gear. This was just being held in there. How is it? There's a worm gear inside there. So the worm gear is spinning this and it brought out the final bone. So there it is. Oh my gosh, the final one was the toughest one. All right, that's it. 6 boxes, 6 bones, 7 or 8. I don't know if that counts as a tool. 8 tools. What a great puzzle series. I'm so satisfied by this and just sort of amazed. There's a number of things that I haven't seen before. I think my favorite one was this yellow one. This one is a contraption. This is like MC Escher box. Yeah, this one faked me out pretty hard because there was a move that you had to do before the tool worked, and I didn't, or you know, you could say that you needed to use the other tool first. The hat one, also, that faked me out pretty good, having to slide that hat out. I think this is a level 9. It's a pretty hard box. Yeah, oh my gosh, these were hard.